What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easton Smith Productions. It's your least favorite YouTuber here with another addition to my Subway Christmas break, hopefully series. So it's 11:43. We're heading over to Subway right now, and I have to work from 12 to 8. So I might not be recording for a while of that shift because I feel hella awkward recording with people, and I'll probably have a coworker or two for a while. But since my friend that I usually close with got most of it off, I'll be by myself for probably 4 to 8, hopefully, unless homie Rachel stays for, the entire day, which I hope doesn't happen, because it was kind of cool being by myself last night, so I guess we'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and let's make it a good video. Okay, we're only 30 minutes into the shift, and it's batshit crazy. We just had a huge rush, but it just died down. And yeah, we're only 30 minutes in, and I won't be alone tonight, so it's probably going to be a short video, if there even is one. But yeah, so that's great. Okay, so let's see, it was like 12 when I took the last clip. It is now 7:40. I'm like 16 minutes from closing. We're almost there. It's been crazy. It's been a super long day. I'm ready to go home. So I figured the content for this video, I will show you some of the closing processes for a Subway employee. So starting off with the dishes. I'm almost all done. I have some of them drying right there. But for some dishes that I can wash, we'll take these 30 knives right in here, and we'll pop them right there. We'll soak those in just a second. One sec. Okay, we have to turn off the toaster, so we're gonna do that, and then open it. Okay, so now let's mop. We're gonna head all the way back here, and it looks like the mop bucket has been emptied, so I'm gonna fill it with fresh, clean water. Me, I forgot we have to sweep first. Grab our trusty dusty green broom.
Go crazy, go stupid. Go crazy, go stupid. Go crazy.
Okay, now we can actually mop. Get ready for another time lapse.
Go stupid, Go crazy, yeah. Go stupid. Go crazy.
And just like that, it is finally 8 o'clock. So that means I finally get to do this. And why not top it off with a little bit of this? All right, the friggin' toaster is all done, so close that up. Now we have to just finish up the dishes. These look like they're done drying, then we have to rinse off all those stupid knives. By the way, don't worry, I am gonna rinse that sink out with all the veggies. Don't trip, don't worry, I got it. This next part is one of the most annoying, because that's where it drains into. That's how much liquid there is. So I have to carefully watch over it so it doesn't overflow. And 2, and go. Very nice. And go. Bam. That's how it's done. Just gotta scoop it all up. Who's hungry? Now to finish off, we've got to put all of these away. Not to completely preach to the choir, but I'm an idiot and I forgot a few dishes. Those being the meat scoopers. So let's go clean those too.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy.
Next step, we have to put away all the food. So I have to get a couple of trays to put them on, and then I have to get all the lids. And got them. Before we get started with this task, we have to first glove up. Bam. Okay, and next we have to put them all on a little rack shelf thingy. Now, let's do it. Now, we have to put it on the fridge, but that's probably going to be annoying to film, so I'm not going to do it. Be right back. Now I have to clean out this freaking bull crap. My favorite part of the night, get that f***ing bag. Bitch. And let's see, a couple other tasks. I have to break down some boxes, but even I was bored as shit watching that last time, so I won't film that, and then I just have to mop. And you've already seen enough mopping time lapses, so I'm not gonna show that either. And then I just, have to take recycling out, and I'll probably film that, because why not? And finally, that is all. So, now we get to leave. Someone was kind enough to, well, I broke down all these boxes. I need that credit, right? Anyway, someone was kind enough to put them all the broken down boxes in one big box. So now it makes my life easier. Perfect. We're just gonna load them into my sexy car now, and then my responsibilities are done. Driving with the trunk closed is for f***ing pussies, so we're not gonna do that. And that's how you close at a Subway restaurant. Well, that is Subway Christmas break day 2. Very long, like 8.5 hours, but now it's finally over. My breath is fogging. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for the rest if I do make any more. I hope I do. I need content. I miss uploading, even though my YouTube channel is that of dog shit. And I'm aware, don't worry, I'm so self-aware. I'm often told how self-aware I am. I'm great like that. Just kidding. I'm very humble too. I'm the best, most humble person. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. I swear I don't believe that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. See you later. Thanks for watching. I think I already said that. Bye.